Based on the outskirts of Belfast, our highly skilled workforce here at Scan Alarms is well placed to service clients throughout Ireland. Our 35 years of local experience and an advanced knowledge of the industry allows us to provide the perfect security solution for you or your business. We have earned a reputation for providing excellent services in all areas of our business, for commercial, industrial, private, public and residential premises within Belfast and the surrounding areas. Our consultants are experienced in providing bespoke solutions for both domestic and business customers, including new builds, schools, fuel forecourts, retail outlets and more. Our specialist fire and security engineers are trained and certified in the latest health and safety. At Scan Alarms, we pride ourselves on delivering an exemplary service to all our clients.